Hello drone video fans, and welcome back to my channel. The weather's been so rainy and windy of late that I decided to take my little micro FPV racer, that's first person view racer, out into the backyard and have a little fun with it. This is a micro-sized 90mm or 3.5 inch between motor shaft spacing racer that you can fly in small spaces, and it has a small 25 milliwatt transmitter and a camera attached to it. It's not real high resolution, and this recording is made from the goggles that I am wearing. I'm sitting back on the other side of the garage. You'll get to see me here as I fly through the backyard and see the fence along the side there and a guy wire that I have to pay attention to. Across the backyard are my apple trees. The one on the far right is a yellow delicious apple tree that I just had put in last fall. So we're flying along the back edge over here and flying underneath the branches. And we did clip one of these branches. Probably I think it's in the next pass where we got a little bit too close. But you can see my Generac AC power supply there for when the power goes out, plus my tower and air conditioning. And there I'm sitting on my chair there wearing the goggles, and just kind of flying around, getting in some flight time. It was raining. You can see a raindrop on the lens of the camera. We're flying underneath these branches of the tree. And there's a gap there that we're going to revisit. Here's where I think I clipped a tree. I got a little too low and then went up too fast and clipped a little bit of the tree branch, but not enough to make the little quad fall out of the sky. So we continued on flying, and again we're going to get close enough here for you to see me sitting in my my chair briefly, and then we're going to go back around and take a pass between the garage and the fence, which is about an 18-inch gap, and it was a little bit tight, but and you'll see that we did kind of bounce it off the ground and off the side of the garage, but we made it through and almost hit ourselves in the back of the head. So we're getting ready to make the run here, and I'm going to kind of close in on this gap. I was thinking about it all during this flight, and I said, I wonder if I can squeeze through there, because it is pretty tight, and I decided to go for it. And as I said, we didn't make a clean pass, but we made it through anyway. Anyways, these little micro FPV first-person view races are a lot of fun to fly. Hope you enjoyed watching this short little demonstration, and hope to catch you again with a regular video soon. Thanks for stopping by and watching.